Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create your Instagram account very easily. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Play Store and write here Instagram. After downloading and installing, then click on open. And here you will see create new account option. Click on it and it will ask you what is your name. Write here your name. After writing the name, click on next and write here password. After choosing password, then click on next. And it will ask you if you save your login info, then click on save. If you do not want to save it, then click on not now. I want to save it, so I will click on save. And then it will ask you write here your date of birth. And then write here your date of birth. You can write any date you want to write here. After writing date of birth, then click on set options, then click on next. Here you will see that username will automatically write here. So if you want to change it, you can change it. After changing, click on next. And if you want to create your ID on your number, then write your mobile number. Or if you want to create ID on email, you can see the option of email. I want to create my ID on email. That's why I am writing my email ID. After that, click on next. Then click on I agree. Wait some second. After that, you can add pictures. If you will click on add pictures, choose you from gallery, and after choosing the pictures, upload it and then click on done option. After that, skip it, again skip it, again skip it, then skip it. If you want to follow any friends, you can follow from here. Then after following, click on this. In this way, you can see my ID has been created. So by following this process, you can easily create your Instagram ID. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If this video very helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.